Hey there. So what probably happened when you're trying to make the gross, since I have a normal one here, is that you probably already made it and it's in your browser. So what I want you to do is actually come down and look for, you can see here's architectural, there's floor plans, right? Site plan, elevation, and then section. It should be under here. Let's see. Let me see if it's made for this file. So we can go architecture, area plan. So this one doesn't have one. So let's say we make one gross. I pick L1 and then I go okay. We can go automatic. And so now it's creating this gross number. And what happens is once you've done that, it's going to pop up here. Let's see, where did it go? Architectural 1. It's being a little finicky. Just close everything so I'm not. Okay. It's probably under coordination, not 3D. Sorry. Working plans. Here we go. Area plans gross. Right. So now this is showing up. So if you're not seeing any options, because if I come back here now and I go to gross, you'll see L1 is gone because it says do not duplicate existing views. So you probably have one already existing. So you're going to find that in your project browser. For the color scheme, I'm wondering if you haven't actually maybe added anything yet. Let's go through it here. So you're going to be in your floor plan, which let's just pop in here again once more and just make this big. So your edit color scheme, and you're seeing the area gross, and you're seeing none, building area, and schema 1, basically. So let's see what I'm seeing here. Go here, color theme, and when I come into category, I'm seeing rooms, spaces, and system zones. And you're just seeing area, and this might be happening because you see how you are in the area floor plan. So what I would recommend, I can see because of how it's dashed. You see here it says area plan gross building. You're going to want to get your project browser, which is not showing up here. I'll show you how to get that back and then come back and then it will show up. So it looks like this project browser, if I close this up, right, this here is gone. You've X'd it out by mistake. So what you're going to do is go to View, User Interface, and you're going to scroll down to Project Browser, and it will pop it back into place.